Joining me in the Tech Week TV studio right now is Rema Algunaibet from Saudi Arabia, who's been joining us here in the AI Summit stream here at Techcelerate at London Tech Week 2019. Rema, thank you very much. What have you made of the AI show that we've been putting on this year?
Thank you so much, David, for having me today. The show has been very interesting and exciting for me to attend, and it was a great pleasure for me to go around the exhibition and see the different things that they have. They have a very advanced stuff that you think that it might happen in the future. When you think about robotics or AI, you think this is the future, but it's actually the present.
Yeah, indeed, and that's the point that struck home with me actually, is that organizations are getting real return on investment, real value right now. But not all companies are doing it right quite yet. There are still one or two hurdles along the way, and I know in your experience as an AI developer, you've come across some of those hurdles yourself, haven't you?
Yeah, there are challenges for sure, because when you are training an AI, it's like training a child, so you got to have the data warehouse for training correct, 100% correct, not 99.99% correct, but 100%. Because let's take an example that I saw in one of the booths. If you're teaching your kid, you are showing him a picture of a baby and you are saying this is a carrot, you'll be teaching him a wrong thing, and this will result in an unpredictable behavior in the future. So proper training will result in a very good behaviors, and this is what we are looking at.
And it's not always as black and white as that, is it? You know, saying a baby looks like a carrot, therefore we call it a carrot. Sometimes there are biases that creep into AI as well, and biases that we as humans, we all have, possibly without even realizing it. And if they don't go unchecked, then the implications when these AI systems are making decisions for societies, for businesses, can be quite profound.
Yeah, when it comes to big decisions by the AI, it would be something to consider, that for the big decisions it's good to be made by us rather than the AI for now, until we are doing a very proper training and the behavior is 100% predicted, then it would be a good way to rely on the AI itself.
So your take is making sure that the data that gets fed in, that these data warehouses, data lakes, it's clean data.
Sure.
That sounds like a very manual process to me.
It is. When you're preparing the data, you are analyzing it. It is definitely it takes a lot of work, but it's worth the work and the effort.
So based on what you see from working in the industry and coming to events like this, tell me where do you see we'll be in 12, 18 months' time, the trajectory at which AI is heading and organizations are adopting it and seeking to get value from it? Where do you think we'll be in the near to mid future in terms of AI?
So now chatbots are ubiquitous. They are everywhere. Every company is considering getting a chatbot to replace the IT help desk agents, not completely replace, but to help addressing the customer services faster and reducing the manpower that is needed for that. Not only that, but also AI is getting into the banks industry. So finance is really considering AI, and they are leading in this industry more than any other industry. Oil and gas are catching up, but marketing and sales are a bit more in that industry.
And healthcare as well, I think, is another area. And we've had a number of conversations about AI being able to identify eye health issues or oncology, cancer risk better than humans in many cases, just by analysis of images and scans. It's an exciting time, isn't it? And you're in a very exciting space working at the heart of the industry right now, because there is so much potential and so much scope for growth in the very near future.
Yeah, I heard about that actually in one of the booths. They are doing a survey studying every industry and the AI that's implemented within that industry, and health is definitely one of these industries that are considering AI big time.
Well, listen, Rema, thank you very much indeed for joining us here at the show this year, and thank you for joining us here in the TV studio. I hope it's been a great experience here at AI Summit and Techcelerate. Look forward to seeing you again, maybe in 12 and 18 months, and we can put some of those predictions to the test.
Thank you so much, David, for having me here.
You're welcome.